How y'all doing?
I claps. Hey yo, I'm back. Biggity back, I'm back. I'm back. Y'all probably looking at me like, child, where the fuck you been at? It's been over 3 months since I posted a YouTube video, and it actually feels weird that I'm back filming. Long story short, y'all, the reason why I've been missing is because I needed a fucking break. I was mentally tired. I needed to regroup myself, and I also needed to focus on me. I'm always the type, I'm always focusing on other people or what I have to do, and I never just sat down and said, look, you need to mentally come back and be yourself. Taking a break on social media was one of the best things I have ever did. I ain't been on TikTok, I ain't been on YouTube, Snapchat, none of that. Barely was even talking to my friends, anybody in general. That's just how much I just wanted to, you know, put the social media and the phone to the side and think about myself. Also, y'all, I've been doing a lot behind the scenes, been very busy with that, and I cannot wait to share everything with you all. Once it all come in place, I'm very excited to also share that type of news, and I'm just happy to be back like I never left. And that was one of the best decisions I made. As you all can see, I am back happy, energized, and I feel myself. I don't feel like I have to fake like I'm okay. I have to feel like I'm good. I'm just going to continue to elevate and also upgrade. So yeah, y'all, that's basically what it was to it. I don't know, before I took a break, it was just too much stuff going on. Like the ops was looking, shawty that know of me but I barely know always was looking at my shit. She was always looking at my Instagram, looking at my TikTok, looking at my Snapchat. Like every time I look, shawty was on my stuff, and like I'm like, come on bro, I didn't even know you. I didn't even know the child girl, but she ain't stopping nothing. I'm back and I'm better, and I'm ready to get this content on and rolling. So that's my reason, y'all. It's no reason to apologize why I've been gone. This was all because of me being selfish. So I can't say, oh, I'm sorry for being missing for 3 months. Child, I just needed a break, and I'm sure y'all understand that. The best decision I ever made. So yeah, we're gonna get this rolling. As you all see in today's video, I will be doing a shoe unboxing, something different on my channel. I will be switching up my content now, and the store that I purchased these shoes from is Journeys. I'm sure everybody is familiar with the store Journeys. They sell Crocs, Vans, Pumas, and also Converse, and that is the pair of tennis shoes that I got. The brand name is Converse. These shoes, they just recently came out, but it's not new. You know how Jordan's always has a shoe that comes out first hand, and then after a few years it comes out again. It's basically what these shoes are. So I got these in men's 6 and an 8 in women. Let me just open this and show you all the shoe that I got. It is in hyper pink, light pink. They are so pretty, y'all. Y'all already know how I feel about pink. This is how the shoes look. I'm trying to take both of them out so y'all can see it. Here is both of the shoes together. They are so cute, y'all, and I already have a whole outfit idea for these, and yeah, I definitely can't wait to wear it. Let me just tell you the reason why I had to go a size up in these Converse. Usually Converse run big, but I just now noticed that my feet have grown a size up. Last year I had did a vacation vlog, and I had ended up going to an amusement park, and if you remember, I had wore these shoes throughout the whole amusement park. I was trying to figure out why my feet was hurting. I thought I had on the right socks. I thought, you know, I was just uncomfortable that day because it was hot outside, but come to find out these shoes was way too small now. So I gotta give them away to my mom because we do wear the same size shoe. But child, I'm going to remind y'all what my feet look like after I took these shoes off. I ended up having a big ass corn on my foot, y'all. That was awful. My feet was hurting so goddamn bad. I'm kind of sad I can no longer wear these shoes, y'all, but I just always get a bigger size in the size that I wear now. But that's the whole reason why. That's why the shoe does look longer than the Nipsey blue one. Let's compare it, y'all. See, y'all can tell it's a whole half size bigger. But yeah, I know usually once you turn 21 you're finished growing, so I guess that's, you know, hopefully my feet don't grow anymore, and that's the last bit of inches is going to grow, because I don't feel like walking around with no big old feet. Usually for my height, my feet is small, but I don't want to have no bigger size because, you know. Anyways, y'all, these is the shoes that I got. And let me just also show y'all what came in the box. When the shoes came, I had already opened the box and made sure like they had my receipt and stuff. I always like to keep my receipt just in case of emergency. And let me tell you, they gave me a $10 off DoorDash gift card. And I'm in shock. I don't know if I can turn around because it shows the code, and I don't want y'all using my code. No, I mean, I love y'all, but I need this because I always be ordering from DoorDash, and now that the prices is rising sky high, you need every bit a discount, coupon, anything you can get. So yeah, they gave me a $10 off from DoorDash, and I was actually in shock. I didn't think they would give me something like this. And also they gave me a $5 off for the next time I want to get, hopefully the camera's focused. There you go. They gave me a $5 off for the next time I want to order another pair of shoes from Journeys. So Journeys, thank you so much for that. And it says it expires December 31st, 2022. So if I want to go to Journeys in store, they will scan that right here. But yes, here is the $10 off from DoorDash. Once again, I am more than grateful for this, but I honestly didn't know that now Journeys is sneaking in gift cards. I never got this before when I ordered from Journeys, but I'm honestly not complaining. One more look of the shoes. I will try it on for you all so you can see. And Converse, they are so comfortable. They are a great shoe for if you're traveling or walking somewhere far, like to an amusement park, or if you just want to go on a small little walk. Converse is the best shoes. So I'm happy that I got another pair of those, but I definitely got to get a bigger size in them Nipsey blue chucks. Those was my favorite Converse that I do have. And I remember when I was younger, I did have a lighter pink Converse, and they was high tops, but now I'm getting into low top shoes more, so definitely why I had to purchase these. Show y'all the Converse box one more time. And the size is in an 8. Before I try these on, I didn't know if you all was interested in seeing how the inside of the shoe looks. Is it just me, or I just love how a pair of new shoes smell? And it has the Converse logo in it. Here is the tongue, and it usually has the size. But this is how it will look when you order Converse, just in case somebody out here is watching a video and they never purchased Converse and they want to know what it looks like. I'm just showing y'all this. I don't know if it's really necessary or not, just so y'all know, so y'all won't be like, you didn't show the inside or whatever y'all might say. I don't give a damn. I'm going to put these shoes in slow-mo so you can see it a little more better before I try it on. really cute sneakers, but let me just try this on y'all because I know y'all anxious to see it on my feet. Bye. This concludes the very end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed this quick shoe Converse review, and after all, Converse is comfortable. Like I mentioned earlier, they fit perfectly. I'm so happy I did not have time to get more corns on my foot. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if y'all missed me. Comment down below how you felt about this video, and also, you know, hit that subscribe button if you are new and you always hit this video. I'm so glad to be back. The content will be on and popping, back like I never left. So I will see you all next Sunday. My new posting schedule is Sunday at 5 p.m. So while y'all was looking at this video, I'm sure y'all was confused why I was posting on a Sunday. But yes, I changed my upload schedule just so I can have more time to edit and upload a video for y'all, since I am a lot more busier now. Let's give the Converse one more look before I end this video out. And y'all already know that Converse come in different colors, so if you want to purchase them, go ahead and do, and let's twin. But I will see y'all next week. Bye.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers.